I got all this to clean up. That little area. And back here. Maybe move this little arch thing from Selena's quince back to the back. And maybe clean that stupid tree up. And right here too. Gotta make it look nice again. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off. It's just basically what we're doing on our Saturday. Then we gotta go finish up laundry and, oh, let me show you. That ugly thing right there, that's poison ivy that goes all the way to the top. This tree needs to be pulled out, it's diseased. It still blooms though, so is this one. It's diseased, but it still blooms. But anyway, yeah, I feel like I'm all itchy already. And the spider bit me right there. It burned. I don't know what it's gonna do. It was a clear, it still burns every time I touch it. It was a clear white spider. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. Love you guys, bye.